killed it. I killed it up in this bitch.
Into art, you realize that art is really predicated on a hell of a lot of physics. Because if you understand how light and the electromagnetic spectrum operate, you would notice that the reason why, let's say an apple, hypothetically an apple, why is the apple shade dark? The apple shade is dark is because you see the darkness of the shade, we can determine the distance the object is from the light. It's a fascinating phenomenon. You could calculate the distance between the object and the light by the level of darkness of the shadow that's being casted. Now, the further away the light is from the object, the shadow will have a less opacity. It becomes more translucent, right? It loses its translucency until it deteriorates and become transparent. You could see right through it.